Hi everybody, good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter motion. What is a motion? We are all familiar with this word in our daily life. Motion is nothing but a movement in other terms. So because of the movement or because of the motion only, we are all coming to the school, we are all going to the home, we are all doing our work. Without motion, we cannot do any work. Because of the motion of the earth only, we are getting the seasons and day and nights. Suppose we said that earth is in motion. If the earth is in motion, why don't we feel that the motion of the earth who are living on the earth? So we are all living on the earth, but still we are not feeling the motion of the earth. What is the reason behind this one? Because it's a simple thing. The earth is moving with a constant speed. Earth is moving with constant speed. So it is not changing its speed. It means it is not accelerating, it is not decelerating. That is the reason why we never feel the motion of the earth. Okay, let's see one more question here. So, are the walls of this classroom are at rest or in motion? The walls of the classroom are at rest. Why do you say that the walls of the classroom are at rest? Because they are not changing their position with respect to time and with respect to surroundings. So we can say that they are at rest. It means by this point we can say what is motion and what is rest. What is rest means, a simple thing is nothing but rest means if an object is not changing its position with respect to time, is called as nothing but a rest. What is motion? Motion means nothing but a simple thing. If an object changes its position with respect to time is called as nothing but a motion. So by the second question we can identify that what is rest means if an object is not changing its position with respect to time, it is rest. What is motion means if an object is changing its position with respect to time is called as nothing but a motion. Let's see one more question here. Suppose, have you felt that when you were sitting in a train, so your train is at rest, still you are feeling that your train is in motion? So to identify this one, we can tell you one simple example. Suppose whenever you get into a train and sitting in a train, so you can feel that your train is at rest. There might be another train in the another track. So that train is also rest. But still, once if the train is starting, the other train is starting to move, you can feel that your train is also nothing but in the motion. What is that reason means? The reason is nothing but motion is relative. What is that one? Motion is which one? Relative. What is relative? So to identify this one, we are all having nothing but our relatives. We are all having our friends. In the same way, motion is also relative. So why the motion is relative to something, we will identify in this concept. To identify this one, let's take one example. For example, we are all speaking so many sentences. Suppose if you might have spoken a sentence, what is that means? Water is triangular. Does it contain any meaning? No, there is no meaning at all. Because each and every word should be relative to the other word. So if you speak the words in that manner, you will get the complete meaning. So it means each and every word is relative to the other word. So let's see one more example here. For example, I would like to tell you one point. What is that means? So you can take one house. There is a person standing at one side of this house. There is another person standing at other side of this house. So he is Mr. A, he is Mr. B. So now if we ask Mr. A, what is the position of the house? A will say that the position of the house is nothing but at which side of him means it is at left side of the A. According to B, if we ask the position of the house, we will say it is at right side. It means what is this meaning is nothing but a. So the position of the house is depending upon the observer. Let's take one more example here. Suppose I would like to ask you one question. Is at this time, is this a day or night? Some members can get a doubt. Sir, why are you asking like that? We are all getting the sunlight. We are all feeling the sun. So why don't you ask like that? Because it is simply a day. So but for answering this question, you have to come to know that where is the observer, the position of the observer. Suppose if the person who might have asked this question from United States of America, so at this time it is at night. Suppose if the same person is asking from India like this, so this time is nothing but a day. So here the place of the actually observer will decide the answer. It means motion is relative to whom means motion is relative to nothing but a observer. So motion depends upon the observer. So we will see some more clarity regarding this relative basing on some activities which are given on our textbook. We will discuss about that one in the next video. Thank you.